Hi, so I'm Salmonella Enterica, and I want you to go on a date with me. So here I am. Here's a selfie I took the other day. Here's a picture of me at my house, and here's a picture of me at my other house. So, yeah, you're a girl with two houses. Um, so I'm a gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. I have a streamlined body, as you can see, which is an advantage for movement, similar to swimming. I'm a non-motile bacteria, which means I need flagella to facilitate my movement, and I have a peritrichous flagella, which means it completely covers the surface of my body. So I am all over the world. I am worldwide. Since I am a foodborne illness, as long as the food that um, carries my bacteria has it, I'm there. Um, so I love animals, especially animals that live on farms. I can be found in the gastrointestinal tracts of animals, and as a result, I am found in poultry and poultry-related products like chicken, eggs, fish, etc. And I am a zoonotic disease, which means I am transmitted from animal to human. So I'm also found in the gastrointestinal tracts of humans. Um, I really enjoy visiting unsanitary areas of the world. Since I can live freely in natural habitats without my host, I can be found in polluted water, soil, sewage, just nasty areas like that. I just love them. And you're probably wondering, like, how do you live in water, soil, and sewage if you live in the gastrointestinal tracts of animals? Well, these animals poop me out because I am in their intestines. They poop me out, and then I'm released back into the environment where I make my way on over to those places. I enjoy being in temperatures that range of 5 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius, and my optimum is at 32 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Um, and I'm sensitive to heat. I do not survive in temperatures above 70 degrees Celsius because I will die, and I don't want to die. I want to go on a date with you, so yeah. So I love eating. Who doesn't love to eat? So I can't make my own food. I rely on organic substances for nutrients, and so I'm considered a heterotroph. Specifically, I'm a chemo-organotroph, and I obtain nutrients from oxygen and organic resources from my host. And eventually, I get a little too hungry and I'll take more nutrients than I should, and I end up making them sick. And I also need glucose for energy, and I use mixed acid heterofermentation to produce it. And this method of metabolism produces carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas as a byproduct, and then that builds up an irritation in my host intestines, which causes irritation, and you know what happens after that. And I can do this because I'm a facilitative anaerobe, which means I can survive with and without oxygen. I want to settle down. I want to have a kid. Don't worry if you don't want to have a kid with me because I don't even need you. I can reproduce asexually through binary fission. So when I reproduce, my cell elongates and then the DNA is replicated. Then the daughter chromosomes move to the opposite ends of the cell where a new cell wall begins to form in order to separate the two cells. And once the new cell wall is formed, binary fission is complete, and I have my kid. And yeah, so that's basically everything about me. I hope you got to know me well. I hope you want to go on a date with me. If you do, hit me up. If you don't, that's fine. Yeah, thank you.